We'll guide you through how to change the time zone on an Android phone or tablet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and traveled somewhere, and so you need to go and have the time zone reflected where you currently are. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's a full guide and don't skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up on your phone or device, and you need to go and find settings. You can always search at the top if you struggle to find them, or you may need to go and swipe across. Now in settings, you need to go and scroll down, find the option for general management. As you can see, there it is, and you can tap there. Wait for this to load, and you need to find date and time, and you can go and tap there. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to go and switch off automatic time zone and also automatic date and time as well. Scroll down and we can press select time zone, and you can then press region at the top, and we can go and find the time zone we want to go and use. Scroll down and we can then select Argentina, for example, and that is +3. Now you can go and press back. Now, you should go and see it updates. If it doesn't, what you may need to do is perform a restart. So you can go and tap and hold the side button like so, and you'll see the power menu, press restart and press restart again. When it comes back on, you can see it's changed.